is short for building information modeling, and for me it's a concept that puts 2D drawings and 3D models together. So when you change something in the drawings, it will automatically update the model, and the other way around. So we try to make people understand how they can sketch with BIM and what the value of BIM is for the early phases. And that's a lot of fun because it's a completely different part of a technical understanding, and architects love when they can get a better tool that will make them be better architects. When I started studying architecture more than 20 years ago, I did my first project with 3D, and that was a change in the industry, moving from just 2D drawings to 3D models also, and that has become a standard. I started with Form C, then it was SketchUp, then it was Rhino, Grasshopper, 3D Studio Max, Cinema 4D, Twinmotion. There's so many applications that does 3D. And then the BIM tools came perhaps 10 years ago, where you move 2D and 3D into the same application. And when you do that with BIM, you start to collect data automatically. You can do quantity takeoff, and you can deliver something that's more than just drawings and models. We're moving into virtual reality, and where virtual reality is really strong in letting ordinary users try the building on before it's built, to see all the mistakes that are not done by architects and engineers not working together, but done by the user not communicating their needs early enough to have it part of the project. I think 30% of materials that are delivered to a building site are never being used. 40% of what they built is being teared down again. So there's so much you can optimize. So it's easy to provide a lot of content to the internet. So that's the new way of word of mouth. You still need to deliver good projects. So when people talk together, and they do, they would say that you're trustworthy and deliver something that's great, especially in the collaboration part that is difficult to measure.